Wow, amazing, my friend. Look at this, my friend. What is this? A lot of mighty car here. See? Oh my god, nice. Okay, beautiful. See? What is this? So many. Okay, let's go. We are willing to clean it now. Okay, clean them up. Okay. Wow. Woohoo, I like it. Alright. Let's go, my friend. Look at this. Beautiful water. So blessed, my friend. Okay. Let's start. Okay. Oh, what is this, my friend? It looks like yellow one. Let's see. Yes, it is. Ramirez, my friend.
Hey, costume girl! You know, at first I thought you were out here because...
Okay, Ramirez, good. And what is this, my friend? It looks like a blue color. Let's see, my friend. It is the blue one.
Hey, boys, stay with me. And Flo, what'll happen if no one can come to your station to buy gas?
I'll go out of business.
Beautiful. Okay. Okay, what is this? Let's see, my friend. Amazing ready car. Very nice ready car, my friend. Put here, my friend. Okay. And this one, what is this? Okay. Ooh, play it, my friend. Okay, what is this, my friend? Look at this. Yellow one, double cabin.
I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get on safe, so I'm taking 6 shots on.
Very nice. Good, very nice, very nice. Okay. Okay, what is this? Oh, I see. This is injection stone, my friend. Look at this. Amazing. Wow. Amazing. And what about this? Wow. Sheriff, hello, Sheriff. Everything under control, Sheriff.
What are you doing here, son? You're gonna miss your race. Don't worry. I'll give you a police escort and we'll make up the time.
Beautiful. Okay. What is this? Oh, it's just a loader. Nice, my friend. See, loader. Okay. Beautiful. This one is the... Oh, Thayo. Okay.
Wow!
Logie, can I take this with me?
Of course!
Very nice, Tayo. Good. Oh, okay, the big one, my friend. Big truck. See? It's just a big truck. Very good, my friend. Amazing. Big truck. Okay, this one is a roller tandem. See? Clean already, my friend. Hey, what about this? This is the red one. Oh, this is fire rescue. Amazing, my friend. Very nice. And what about this? This is a crocodile, my friend. And crocodile. Okay, crocodile. No problem. And this one is the Jeep, my friend. Very good. Very nice Jeep. Okay. And this one is wow, this is a Thomas.
Yes, sir, I am, but there are, a lot more of them.
so it takes long.
Hello, Thomas. Okay, what is this, my friend? Oh, rally car.
Scored 10 wins at his home event.
I'm a bit emotional about that. It's an amazing achievement.
Okay, nice. Clean, beautiful. And this one is more on the car, more on the truck. Very good. Good. Lim, what is this? Sorry. This is the drag crest, my friend.
It was a very solid elapsed time that he had in his back pocket anyway, but he didn't need any of it because you can see that flinch on the opposite side of the racetrack.
Beautiful. Okay, very nice. What this? All right, let's see. Playing already. This is a police car. Okay, beautiful police car. And this one is the Tayo, my friend.
Right. Oh, nice. Hey, I've got one.
The red one. Okay, Tayo. Nice. And this one is the... Hi, this is a month of truck. Okay, beautiful. And this one's a beautiful car, Formula One. Alright, very good. Beautiful. What is this? Wow, the green one, a rally car. Wow, nice. And this one is a big truck. Alright, a mini. Good. What this one? How about this? Wow, this is the snow tractor. See? Very good. Okay. Hi, this is a McQueen, my friend, red one. Lating McQueen.
I gotta save it.
Very nice McQueen. Good. This one is the Tayo. Tayo, my friend, see?
Again. Okay, I'm off.
Beautiful Tayo. Okay, Tayo. Plus one, no more. What is this? Wow, this one is a bold mantra, my friend.
Hey, I gotta get to California pronto.
Where's your lawyer?
I don't know, Tahiti maybe.
Very nice. Beautiful, amazing. Okay, no more. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, bye-bye, my friend.